In this video, you are going to learn how to add a smooth scroll effect to your Framer website without writing a single line of code. You can add this effect to any of your already existing websites. You'll just need to copy a code component and paste that into your primary breakpoint on your website, and basically that's it. My name is Nandi, this is Framer University, and let's get started. So first of all, I want to just show you this smooth scroll effect. I'm not sure if it is really visible on this video, but I think the best way to showcase it is that if I scroll really fast and we reach the end of the website, because it slows down really nicely. So as you can see, I'm scrolling really fast and it slows down as we reach the end of the site. So yeah, that's smooth scroll, and we can all actually check out this site without smooth scroll. So as you can see, without the smooth scroll, it's not as fluid. It is the scroll is much more responsive. So as I start scrolling, it immediately starts scrolling. So yeah, but smooth scroll is nice, and I know that some of you guys want to use it on your websites. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. So first of all, you're going to open up the Framer project that you want to use this effect on. So in this case, this is the smooth scroll in Framer community project. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go to framer.university. And we're going to check out this smooth scroll effect in Framer resource. You can just use the search here and just find it that way. So if you scroll down here, you have this copy component button, and you can just click it and you'll have a notification here which says copied, pasted in Framer. So we need to do exactly that. We are going to go to Framer, and we're gonna press Command and V on our keyboard as the desktop breakpoint is selected. So here it is now, it is pasted in, but as you can see, it is within this main stack, and we don't need that to be nested further down. We can have it on the breakpoint level, so we can just put it here on top. And what is good about this component is that it doesn't take up any space. It is actually also invisible. So you just have to paste it in, and basically that's it. You can just click it, go to the right panel and check out the only property that it has, which is the intensity. So adjusting this value slider here, you can adjust the strength of the effect. I think 10 is like a great sweet spot that I really like, but you can have more or less depending on your liking. So if we give this a preview, you can see that it works in the Framer preview as well, and it is perfectly optimized for scroll effects or scroll speed effects, so don't worry about those. And one important thing that I want to mention here is that if you have more pages on your Framer website, you have to copy this into those individual pages as well. So we have this other page here, and we have to copy this smooth scroll component into this page as well, and it will have the smooth scroll as well. So yeah, basically that's it. That's how easy it is to add this smooth scroll into your Framer website. And yeah, I hope that you're gonna have fun with it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.